Hello, welcome to Stream ArchiCAD Design Highlight. This will be our new start, and we will be dealing with three main pillars so that you can understand all about planning and construction definition like share and subscribe. Let's get into the video. 1. ArchiCAD and building design. How to draw floor plans in ArchiCAD 3D house, modeling roof, design staircase, design dimensioning, working drawings rendering houses from 2D plan, complete 3D house. 2. Construction knowledge. Foundation construction concrete and reinforcement wall construction slabs roofing building measurements construction mistakes to avoid material calculations. 3. Your construction journey. Site visits, how buildings are constructed, and can you what you learn on site before / after transformations costing real project your journey from technical college to professional construction. Now you have an idea what revolves around construction. See you on the next video. YouTube thinks you would love to watch this next video. Thank for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for new videos. Bye.